Hey everybody, welcome to Group Break 005 of 1516 SP Game Used. Team Select 3-box break. We're going to be starting off with this tonight and then heading to our Group Break number 2, which is 4-box break. Anyway, so 3 boxes. We're going to be starting off with first box here, ending in serial number 24311. Alright guys, good luck everybody. First pack of 3. Good luck everybody who took a spot through eBay and everyone who bought a spot at fixed price before they went up for auction. Some guy, welcome. Gonna just put you as a mod real quick here. Just to keep track of everybody who's been coming back. Alright, cool. Alright, starting off box number 1 with New York Islanders, Anders Lee. Anders Lee. Second card, All-Star Skills Fabrics, Shea Weber for the Nashville Predators. Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. For the New York Rangers, we have an authentic rookies, Oscar Lindberg. Oscar Lindberg, New York Rangers, authentic rookies autograph. Decoy. And we have for the Phoenix Coyotes, Max Domi, authentic rookies to 399, 184 to 399. Max Domi, jersey card. And to finish off box number 1, we have a David Krejci parallel base to 46, his jersey number. 20 of 46. David Krejci for the Bruins. Alright, cool. Hopefully bigger and better for box number 2. Box number 2. Alright, we got a couple thicker ones in here. For the Calgary Flames, Mark Giordano, All-Star Skills Fabrics. All-Star Skills Fabrics, Mark Giordano for the Calgary Flames. Next, we have another All-Star Skills Fabrics triple jersey to be randomized between the Blues, Senators, and Canucks. Vladimir Tarasenko, Bobby Ryan, and Radim Vrabada. So to be randomized, triple game used jersey, Blues, Sens, Canucks. We'll do that at the end. Yes. All right. Draft day letters for the Phoenix Coyotes. Number to 35, 32 of 35. Draft day auto Henrik Samuelsson for the Phoenix Coyotes. Henrik Samuelsson auto to 35 for the Arizona Coyotes. Sorry. To 35. Cool. Next we have for the Montreal Canadiens, number to 25, patch. All-Star Skills Relics to 25, 19 of 25, Yuri Sakach. He isn't with the Canadians anymore, but let's see here, actually. Yeah, it is the Canadians on the back, so that is Canadians hits. Canadien de Montréal. Skills patch. Pretty nice looking card. Got some colors there at the end. And to finish it off are the Washington Capitals. Looks like a base jersey parallel of Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Is there a number on this? Nope, no number. Just a parallel jersey card. Nice. All right, guys. So last box here of the 3-box break. Just gonna turn this new our new friend here into a mod as well. All right, guys. Last box of the break. Looks like we have another patch in here, possibly. To start it off, another card to be randomized, All-Star Skills Fabrics Duel, Ryan Getzlaff, Anze Kopitar, to be random between the Kings and Ducks. Cali card, very good. Another random over there. Got another triple Fabrics All-Star Skills to be randomized as well, a third randomized card between the Toronto Maple Leafs, Chicago Blackhawks, and Calgary Flames. Phil Kessel, Patrick Kane, and Johnny Hockey. All right, we're gonna have some excitement with the randoms here. Nice 3 players right there. And we have a redemption card for the Arizona Coyotes. Rookie blue auto, numbered to 144, Max Domi. Nice, pretty nice rookie hit right there for the Arizona Coyotes. I'm still stuck in the Phoenix days here. All right, for the Columbus Blue Jackets, I like this one. Number to 49, 3-color patch, Sergei Bobrovsky. Potential Vezina winner goaltender right here. Number to 49, 3-color patch. Sergei Bobrovsky, the Sheriff, I believe. And Mr. Injury Prone himself, Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning. All-Star Skills Fabrics. Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning to end it off. All right, guys. So, thanks everybody. Just going to pull up random.org here quick. Some decent hits there. I think it built up from the first box. Couple nice Arizona did pretty well there. Nice patch to catch. Canadians, pretty decent variety of teams right there. All right, here we go. Pull up random here. All right, we'll start off with, let's see here. So we'll start off with the Battle of Cali between the Ducks and Kings. So we'll put that in. It's going to be randomized 3 times. Team on top takes the card. Kings, Ducks. Alright guys, good luck. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So that was 3 times. That goes to the Ducks. To the Ducks. Now we will have Leafs, Blackhawks. Leafs, Blackhawks, Flames. This one is for the triple fabrics here. Kessel, Kane, and Johnny Hockey, Johnny Gaudreau. So good luck, guys. 1, 2, and good luck. 3 goes to the Blackhawks. So triple fabrics goes to the Chicago Blackhawks. Congratulations. Now we will go to the last triple fabrics, which is St. Louis, Ottawa, and the Canucks. So Blues, Senators, Canucks. Perfect. So 1, 2. Good luck. 3. 3 times goes to the Vancouver Canucks. Good job. Congrats. Alright, guys. So, thanks for watching, guys. And we're coming right up with 4 boxes, 14-15 SP Game Used and Artifacts. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, please. And like us on Facebook. We'll be also having... you could sign up to our website for cheaper breaks. We have an 8-box case of Upper Deck Ice 15-16 with a giveaway of a glass a UD puck certification from Upper Deck of Connor McDavid. That's $120 a spot through our website for 2 teams. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.